If your Epic Games Launcher download speed is stuck at 0, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 2 quick fixes that can get your downloads moving again. This is one of the most frustrating problems when you're trying to install a game, update a launcher, or download content and the speed just refuses to move. The good news is that in many cases, this can be fixed in just a minute or two. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes in gaming tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more solutions like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open the Epic Games Launcher and go straight to Settings. You can usually find Settings by clicking the Profile or Menu area inside the launcher. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Download options. What you want to check here is the Download Limit setting. If Limit Downloads is turned on, that can sometimes cause your speed to appear stuck or completely stop. To fix that, either uncheck the Limit Downloads option or set the limit to 0. In Epic Games, 0 means unlimited, so this tells the launcher not to restrict your download speed. This is a very important step, because even a small limit can interfere with normal downloads, especially if the launcher has glitched or kept an old setting in memory. After changing that setting, give the launcher a moment and see if the download starts moving again. In many cases, this alone will solve the issue. If your speed is still stuck at 0, don't panic, because we've got the next fix. The second thing to do is restart the Epic Games Launcher completely. And I mean fully close it, not just minimize it. Go down to the taskbar, find the Epic Games Launcher, right-click it if needed, and close it entirely. If it's still running in the background, make sure it's fully shut down before reopening it. Once it's completely closed, wait a few seconds, then launch Epic Games again. Restarting the app can clear temporary glitches, refresh the download session, and force the launcher to reconnect properly. A lot of the time, a download stuck at 0 is just a temporary software issue, and a full restart is enough to fix it. If your download starts working after that, great, you're done. If not, you may want to double-check your internet connection, pause and resume the download, or restart your PC as an extra step. But for most users, setting the download limit to 0 and restarting a launcher are the fastest immediate fixes. So to quickly recap, first, go into Epic Games Launcher settings and make sure Limit Downloads is unchecked or set to 0. Then completely close the launcher and reopen it. Those 2 steps solve the stuck at 0 download problem for many people. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.